Long ago, millions of years before humans, the Earth was home to some of the most incredible creatures ever, the dinosaurs. They lived in jungles, deserts, and even near the ocean. Some were as small as cats, while others were bigger than school buses. But have you ever wondered, how did dinosaurs live every day? Let's take a trip back in time to the age of the dinosaurs. Early in the morning, gentle giants like the Brachiosaurus stretched their long necks to reach the tallest trees. They eat hundreds of pounds of leaves each day. Meanwhile, smaller dinos like the Stegosaurus chew low plants near the ground, yummy ferns and flowers. And what about the meat eaters? The velociraptors hunt in packs. They're small but super fast and clever. While the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex rules the land with a roar that shakes the forest. Roar! Even though dinosaurs couldn't talk like humans, they had their own ways to communicate. Some used loud roars or deep rumbles, kind of like saying, "This is my territory." Others used their bodies, waving tails, stomping feet, or showing colorful frills. Scientists believe dinosaurs even made sounds through their long, hollow crests, like the Parasaurolophus, which might have sounded like a big trumpet in the jungle. Life in the dino world wasn't easy. Big hunters roamed everywhere, so plant eaters had to use clever tricks to stay safe. The Ankylosaurus had a tail club that could smash anything that attacked it. The Triceratops used its 3 horns to defend its friends. And the Stegosaurus had sharp spikes on its back. And when danger came, some dinosaurs ran into water or thick forests to hide. They were fast, smart, and always alert. Because in the time of dinosaurs, survival was everything. But just like all stories, the age of dinosaurs came to an end. A giant asteroid hit the Earth, changing the world forever. Most dinosaurs disappeared, but not all of them. Their tiny relatives, the birds, survived and continued their legacy. So every time you see a bird flying in the sky, you're looking at the great-great-great-grandchild of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs may be gone, but their story still lives in fossils, museums, and our imagination. They remind us how amazing life on Earth can be, full of adventure, mystery, and discovery. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and maybe one day you'll be the one to uncover a brand new dinosaur species. See you next time, Dino Explorers! And don't forget to roar with excitement every day. Roar!